At Data.ai, we help you identify and prioritize high-value partnerships. You lead the business development team for a US fintech company, providing buy now and pay later services. Your international expansion lags behind your competitors. Indonesia is your next target market, but you have limited resources and local expertise. You need to identify the right partner and do it quickly. Use the top SDKs module to gauge market reach. For example, look for payment SDKs with the highest share of shopping apps installed in Indonesia. Next, evaluate each SDK's customer base by using detected apps. In this case, Card.io has high install share, but many of the retailers are headquartered outside of Indonesia. On the other hand, Midtrans is growing in install shares and has many domestic retail customers. With SDK insights, you can identify the right partner to enter a new market.